This is a mixture problem, and no matter what type of application problem you're working, you always want to do a setup. So your setup for a mixture problem is, or for me it is, I draw these beakers, and in each beaker I'm going to put what the percent, the concentrate is, and how many gallons in this case. So how much of a 60% orange juice, well, 60% is my concentrate, and it's saying how much, so we don't know how much, so that's my variable x, must be mixed with 19 gallons of a 10%, and our final mixture is 50% orange juice. Well, how many gallons will be in this final mixture? You have X gallons here and 19 gallons here, so your final mixture will be X plus 19. So you've done your setup. The next thing you do is you write your equation, and what you do is just multiply what's inside each of your beakers. So 0.6x plus 0.1 times 19 equals 0.5 times x plus 19. Clear your fractions by multiplying every term on both sides by 10, which moves your decimal one place to the right. So 6x plus, that's just going to be a 1 times 19, or 19, and that's going to be a 5 times an x plus 19. Now we're going to clear our parentheses on the right hand side, and that'll be 5x plus 95. Now let's subtract 5x from both sides, and that leaves me an x plus 19 equals 95. And now subtract 19 from both sides, and you get 76. So you need 17 gallons of that 16%.